Okay guys, I'm gonna show you today how to copy the Tibetan Buddhist textbook. So this is the original textbook. So we're reading this way. This is the hit. This is the what you call button. So once you read this one, and you have to go here. So exactly this paging up here. All right. So I'm gonna copy that. So we're gonna do this first. This is the page. This is the back page. We're gonna do here first. Okay, we're gonna copy this one. Just look here. I'm gonna show you guys step by step. Okay, go this way first. You see this is a hit. Okay, hit. We're gonna do this way. Just before now, forget about this one. Only we do the front one. Okay, just close it. And my paper is here. Make sure you have paper. Then you're gonna hit the copy button. So my penders maybe your penders may be different than my pender. So just press the copy button. That's it. Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay, the front page is done. Now we have to copy this one in one paper. I'm gonna printer this copy this one on the same page, same page, and the back of the page right here. Same thing like this one. Okay, so to do that, just remember how you do, and you just gonna upside down again. That's it. Okay, do like this. Do like this. Okay, that's it. Just close this one and put this one. Okay, you're gonna pick up the paper like this. Now you're gonna bring it back like that. So the second copy is coming to here, exactly the back of this textbook. Okay, you're gonna copy right here. So make sure put nicely. Okay, now you're gonna hit the copy button. There you go. I just pray for my Buddha because long times I didn't do this one. Sometimes I forgot, you know. That's why. Oh, very nice. Let me see. Okay. This is the back of the page. This is the front. Now you see. It's very nice. So you reading like this. This is the paging. So back of the page. After you read finish, and you turn like this way. You see everything in one page. That's it, guys. So now I'm gonna show you how to do the multiple paper in one paper. Okay, if you know how to do this one, is save your time and save your paper too. So actually you can do three page in one page. So so that's too much complicated, more confusing. So I'm gonna do that this way, just two papers, okay, in one paper. So all right, so what you're gonna do is I'm gonna copy this one. Actually the same thing like what you did before. We're gonna copy this one, actually this one. Okay, all right, do like this, turn that way, same thing like before. Okay, this both facing up now. Okay, just close this one, push the copy button, what you're gonna remember is, I'm gonna show you. 1 second. This is very important. Very. So here's the technique. You see right side and left side. So this one will be this one, okay, and the right one will be this one, upper one. You know what I mean? As I tell you again. So this one, the left side will be this one, bottom. So you just need to remember that. It's more easier for you. Okay, to do that, what are you going to do is just pick up the paper like this way, and just see. You see here, just going to put it back like this. So that's very simple for you. And make sure put it nicely. So now we're gonna turn the page. Don't turn this way, don't turn this way, turn this way, upside down, like this. You see? And this one, same thing, where you do the same thing like this one. Now this both facing down, very nice. You see? So we're gonna close, push the copy button. That's it. Maybe your printer is different than my printer, so I have this printer. This is the Canon NP80, I think. All right, now let me check. Okay. 예신 결탑 G. Oh no, this is the last one. So actually, you see, this is the top of the paper. I just want to prove to you guys, this is the top of the paper, this is the back of the paper. So I'm gonna show you my paper is here, just keep it here. I'm gonna prove it to you how it looks like. All right, we're gonna match it. So these two is the same. Now we're gonna upside down. You see here the Om Sadi. We're gonna this one upside down. You see here Om Sadi. Okay, that's it, guys. Actually, you can do one more copy here, but it's too much confusing, more complicated to you. So that's why, so easy way to do is the just 2 page one time. Okay, I hope this is very helpful, you guys. Please subscribe. Thank you. Have a good day.